Yep, that's me, straight from the Stone Age, and that's my dad. He's 80 years old now and he's still riding bikes, and he still have that bike even though he sold it on this picture, but he bought it back a couple of years later. My dad used to ride across all Europe. When you're riding far or long rides, you will approach rain, and rain is a big issue when you're riding motorbike. So he was just thinking like, I need to come up with a great cream because there's no great creams out there that protects against rain. So he started to mix some tricks in his kitchen and came up with this formula that he's still using now since 1975. This leather cream is just awesome. It's totally toxic free, non-smelling, and keep away all the water, as you can see here. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna visit him at the Isle of Tjörn in the little small village called Tjörn. Let's do it. This dude is a motorcycle enthusiast. You can see here this old BMW he got is super nice. It actually works. I also got this one, the big one he goes around Europe with. It's an awesome rig as well. It's so large. It's a huge bike, but a really nice one. So here it is, the leather cream. This is my dad.
Hello.
Hello. And we're gonna, you can see, you can eat it. Tastes like nothing. So it's non-toxic, and here it is putting on this leather cream on this old suit. As you can see, you got the stripes here, really Kill Bill style. So yeah, let's jump this into this little suit here and see how it fits and go out and try it. Bear with me. So we are preparing the water hose here, and also me jumping into the suit, but we will come to that later. So this is, so you can see it's real water, and this is my real dad, and he's here. And yeah, he's already test run it here, as you can see here. It's water. I will not taste that one. Well, I can taste a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put this Osmo 360 on a tripod and film it. Actually, everything is filmed with this Osmo 360 because it's just awesome. But well, I'm gonna put it on a tripod and we're gonna set up the leather suit and try to jump in it. Awesomeness. Okay, let's put on some water. So what is going to happen? Well, he's gonna splash me with water from the water hose on my back because obviously it's open here, and yeah, we're gonna see if it's keep away all the water. Okay, let's do this. Here, please. Okay. As you can see, everything is kind of gone. And here, yeah, I'm dry, but no. All right, I'm gonna take this off, and you're gonna see my t-shirt if it's wet or not. So now it's 3 minutes, and you can see it's kind of complete dry on the back here. That's because of this leather cream that is protecting me from the rain. So as you can see, there's no sign of any moist or water on my back. It's completely dry. Alright guys, as you can see, this product is awesome and keep away water from all leather jackets and leather suits and sofas and whatever. Everything in leather, it's taking care of the water. It's totally bringing it off. So what's inside this? It's mainly mineral grease inside this little bucket here. And if I open up, you can see it's totally clear. And well, as you can see, I could eat it, but I don't recommend you to eat this. I mean, it's other things that's better to eat, but it's non-toxic, so you basically can eat it, or you can cook with it as well, but it's not made for that. Just making that clear. It's not made for that. It's made as a leather cream and should be used as a leather cream, and it's super great. And it's handmade by my dad, and he been doing this since the 70s, so he knows what he's doing. When it comes to great products for bike riding, he knows what he's doing because he's done his miles, in the saddle, sort of speaking. So yeah. So with that said, peace, arrivederci, I'm out.